The next stage is the printing press make ready. At Paragon, we operate flexographic presses at all of our sites, delivering flexibility for production. Flexography is an intaglio printing process, intaglio meaning raised surface, and it's this raised surface that's printed. The plates are attached to a cylinder, which is then mounted above a reservoir of ink. As the cylinder revolves, the plate receives a carefully controlled covering of ink, which is then brought into contact with the label substrate. This is repeated at each printing station with each of the colors to create the label design. The art and skill of one of our experienced printers is focused on the preparation of the press, a complex process that requires the same amount of time and attention to detail irrespective of the amount of labels to be printed. This is why larger print runs prove to be more cost-effective. 8 and 10 color presses give us the flexibility to produce any label specification, including reverse printing and varnishing. The inks to be used on the label will be carefully prepared to produce the Pantone reference provided with the proof. And the printer will judge its accuracy against the contract proof before committing to print. Brand consistency is maintained through our adherence to color master standards and stringent QC checks throughout the process. Preparation begins with the mounting of the plates. Each plate will be checked for air pockets and alignment before being mounted on the press. Once on the press, the printer will apply his skill and expertise to assess the amount of ink transferred onto the labels and the alignment of each of the colors, called the fit. The cutter is then positioned to fit the colors, replicating the contract proof for precision. The waste skeleton is removed to leave only the label on the backing paper of the master reel. These necessary fine adjustments during make ready require great skill and take time to create the perfect result. Only when the printer is happy that the label is a completely accurate representation of the contract proof, using our Color Masters standard comparison, will the print run commence. A sample of the labels will then be prepared to give to the customer for reference. Throughout the print run, the printer will monitor the label output. Wherever the process is disrupted through plate cleaning or waste skeleton breaks, the affected labels will be flagged to indicate where the labels need to be removed in the rewinding and finishing process. The commonality and interchangeability of our flexographic presses significantly reduces waste and maintains flexibility and spare capacity for all our customers.